Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a paper, fold it like this and press it from the sides. Paste it like this. Now turn the paper and spread it. Now after that you have to paste it over the piece of paper like this in a line. Now we have to put the paper in the between. Now roll it like this. Now take a paper and make the frills and then fold it as shown in the video. Now stick and fold it like this and paste it and it's done. Next we'll be making the small cute envelopes. So we'll be taking the paper. So you can see we have taken a piece of paper, fold it like this. Now press it from the sides. Now make a beautiful heart shape like this. Now you have to fix the paper by folding it down from the top. Close it like this after putting it inside and it's done. Next we'll be taking a paper and make this beautiful gift box. So take a paper, fold it from both the sides like this to make the frills over it. Now press it from the sides to make the creases and then we have to open it and press it to make a box and paste it inwards. Now we'll be making another one to put its cap little bit smaller from it and then close it from the top like this. Put a bow and it's done. Next we'll be making this beautiful carry bag or a paper bag you can say. So take a paper, fold it like this from the sides. Press it. Now you have to open it from the top like this. Now make the heart shape. Now fold the paper inwards and make a heart shape like this. Now press it from the top and paste it. Now spread it from the sides and paste it. Make one more as such and join it like this. Now we have to take another paper, fold it and make its handle and paste it from both the sides and it's done. Next you have to take a paper and then make this beautiful toy. So fold it and make the creases over it. Now after that turn the paper and again fold it. Now turn the paper again and again fold it from all the sides. Now you have to stretch it like this and fold it inwards and then fix it by folding it like this. Press it from both the sides on the top and close it and it's done. Next we have to make this beautiful heart shape. So take a paper, fold it like this. So you can see we have folded the paper. Take a pink one and then we have to fold it from both the sides. So you can see we are folding the paper from both the sides and then turn it from the downside. Now after that we have to fix it by pressing it like this. Now spread it from both the sides and press it. And it's done. Next you have to take the paper like this and make this beautiful envelope. So take a paper, fold it from both the sides and press it like this. Now make the creases over it and fold it and press it as shown in the video. Now we have to fold it inwards and then press it from the top like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Now you have to close it from the top like this. Now after that we have to fold it and fix it like this from the top and it's done. Next again we'll be making this heart shape. So you can see how we are making the paper like this and then fold it. Now turn the paper and cut it from the top like this and then fold it like this inwards. Make the heart shape out of it and then fold it like this and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.